I ain't drunk. I'm just drinking. But you're so high. Oh man, you know I ain't high. But you're so high. Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then. But you're so high.
Part 2. So, get the roto twister, get the starter. All right. So, hopefully you can see this. I have jury rigged this setup for our tuned up motor. Now, a couple disclaimers here. Don't ever grip an engine with a prop on it, meaning airplane prop, in a vise. Not good, because if it breaks free, you're screwed. And then we put the tuned pipe on here. It's still going to be louder than God. You're not going to hear anything I say, so I'm not going to talk a whole lot. We've got the high-speed needle and the low-speed needle over here set at factory, so it should be running pretty rich. We're going to open our carb about 1/3. Now, the other disclaimer, too, is do not run one of these things without a load at full speed. Bad things will happen. Okay, you don't want to do that. Here's our gas input. We're running 20% nitro, and that's going into the high-speed needle input. Then our pressurized exhaust from the manifold to pressurize the tank. We do have water cooling, since this is a water-cooled head, hooked up. Woohoo! Look at that. Okay, but we're not going to fire that up until it gets going, and then we're just going to let it rock and let it run for a little bit. As long as it runs reasonably steady at about 1/3 open or so, and it stays there. Once it gets warm, I'll be happy with it. We'll put it in the boat. So to prime this thing, we're going to cover up the pipe and we're going to pull. And that should be it. So, grab a drink of Roto Twister, see if this works. All right, not enough gas. It's my guess. Okay, see what happens. And we have not set these needles either, so. Flooded. All right. Close this back off. Let's back on. Let's see. I think we're flooded. So, to get rid of a flood, what we're going to do, we're going to open the carb all the way up. There is no choke, and we're just going to pull really fast. Try it again. Or we just don't have enough gas. Let's see. Now, I don't know when the last time this bird was started. Let's see what happens. This is to be expected. There we go. Not enough juice. That's the problem. So, try it again. That popped off, but either way, looks like we're good. This expanded, and that's okay. So, let's try firing it up again. carb. All right, there we go, kids. It works. So now we can put her in the boat and we know it's going to be okay. So until next time, keep your shine side up. Bye.